Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fruit cream at home. It's a simple and refreshing dessert perfect for any occasion. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh, ripe fruits, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your cream and bowl are well chilled for optimal whipping. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the fruit. Begin by washing all your fruits thoroughly under cool water. Pat them completely dry with a paper towel to avoid adding excess moisture to your cream. For fruits like mangoes or peaches, dice them into small, uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch cubes. If you're using berries, you can leave them whole or gently mash about 1/4 of them for extra flavor. Next, we'll create the creamy base. In a very cold bowl, using chilled beaters, pour in your 1 cup of heavy cream. Begin whipping on medium-high speed until soft peaks start to form, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, gradually add your 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and the half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue whipping until the cream holds stiff peaks, but be careful not to overwhip it into butter. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold your prepared fruit into the whipped cream using a spatula. Be careful not to deflate the airy cream you just made. Mix until the fruit is evenly distributed, creating a beautiful, colorful dessert. Transfer the fruit cream to individual serving bowls or a large dish. For the best flavor and texture, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.